Rata Die is a system for assigning numbers to calendar days, independent of any calendar, for the purposes of calendrical calculations. It was named by Howard Jacobson. The same system was used earlier, e.g., the REXX programming language since about 1980. The base date of the 1st of January 01 is determined by extending the current Gregorian calendar backward. Rata Die is somewhat similar to Julian dates, in that the values are plain real numbers that increase by 1 each day. The systems differ principally in that JD takes on a particular value at a particular absolute time, and is the same in all contexts, whereas RD values may be relative to time zone, depending on the implementation. This makes RD more suitable for work on calendar dates, whereas JD is more suitable for work on time pichet. The systems also differ trivially by having different epochs. RD is 1 at midnight local time on January 1st, AD 1 in the proleptic Gregorian calendar. JD is 0 at noon universal time on January 1st. 4713 BC in the proleptic Julian calendar, and the REXX count of days begins with 0 at midnight local time on January 1st, AD 1 in the proleptic Gregorian calendar. Forms: Dershowitz and Rheingold. There are 3 distinct forms of RD. In this section they will each be defined in terms of Julian dates. The first form of RD is a continuously increasing fractional number, taking integer values at midnight local time. It may be defined in terms of the Julian date as ROD equals JD 1,721,424.5. In the second form, RD is an integer that labels an entire day, from midnight to midnight local time. This is the result of rounding the first form of RD downwards. It is the same as the relation between Julian date and Julian day number. Thus, ROD equals floor in the third form. The RD is an integer labeling noon time, and incapable of labeling any other time of day. This is defined as ROD equals JD 1,721,425, where the RD value must be an integer, thus constraining the choice of JD. This form of RD is used in the book for conversion of calendar dates between calendars that separate days on different boundaries. The book does not explicitly distinguish between these 3 forms, using the abbreviation RD for all of them. The book does not say that the ROD is based on Greenwich time, but page 10 states that an RD with a decimal fraction is called a moment, and the function moment from JD takes a floating point number as an argument and returns the argument minus 1,721,424.5. There is no requirement for opportunity to supply a time zone offset as an argument. REXX, the date function of the REXX computer language, can return the number of complete days since and including the base date. The 1st of January AD 1 Gregorian, if the base option is specified. This function uses local, not Greenwich, time. REXX does not use the name Rata Die